This is something that's actually gotten a lot of press in the last couple of weeks, or week even. All the press I've seen has gotten wrong what this graph is actually showing. It says, check out this graph showing how Earth has changed. It's not showing that at all. What it's showing is the cycle of the biosphere's respiration. And it's taking 20 years and then compressing and averaging the behavior of the biosphere between 1997 and 2017 into this loop. So you'll see the same thing over and over and over again here. As the white descends from the north down towards the United States and Central and into Central Asia, that is ice. That's the winter months. And likewise at the bottom, if you look at Antarctica, it changes shape quite a bit as well. And you're just seeing the contraction and expansion of ice. In the oceans, yellow means plankton. Yellow means carbon sequestration and life. And we want to see more yellow. Actually, the purple means there is no life in terms of plankton. There's no plankton life. But that's a process that consumes that takes care of about 50% of the biologically based carbon sequestration we have, the reduction of greenhouse gases through other living things just living out their lives by consuming that carbon and using that to generate new life. And then on land, you see something we've been talking about a whole lot, which is the changes in seasonally in forests and vegetation. And so the northernmost regions of vegetation obviously are frozen about half of the year. The central latitude regions of Europe and Asia and the United States are sort of in between there. And then the equatorial regions where the tropical forests are green year-round. But the point of all this, to me, is that this is literally how we are able to exist. And I come from a background of religious people and musicians. So I have actually a fairly, I would say, spiritual orientation towards life. I'm not a religious person, but I'm a very ethical person, and I love everything that I have learned from religion, and many of my best friends and family are extremely religious people. And so I just want to share real quick a few ideas in a sort of abstract way about what we're looking at here. What we're looking at is our reality. Our consciousness is precipitated by the biosphere itself.